AutoIt, a brief about AutoIt. What is AutoIt used for? Primarily, mass configuration and installation. It has grown into a general scripting tool for Windows PC automation. It can simulate keystrokes, mouse movements and clicks, manipulate windows, and their controls. AutoIt is small, self-contained, and has no need for additional external runtimes. Who uses AutoIt? Primarily, Windows system administrators. But anyone with a need to automate on Windows can use it as well. Not every use, however, is officially supported. What kinds of applications can you write with AutoIt? Any repetitive task on Windows. The more unchanging that task, the easier it is to write a script. It can be used for software and system deployment, custom backup software, data extraction and reporting, or a few things that aren't officially supported, game automation or bots, and even quote-unquote security tools for password guessing or keylogging. As an example, say you're a system administrator with 50 new desktops to deploy. In the time it takes to take a few machines out of the box and set them up and install software, an experienced AutoIt author could write a script that would do that work for them. Deploying with the script is then faster than you can do it by hand. In the end, you save time. The more machines you're deploying, the more time you save. The best part, once you write a script, it can be easily modified and reused for whatever task you have. The more you use it, the more time you're going to save. What do you need to develop with AutoIt? AutoIt comes as a complete package. It comes with a script interpreter, the part of the program that actually takes the actions of your script and turns them into what you need it to do. A compiler that can make that script a permanent Windows executable that can be run without AutoIt even being installed. A syntax checker to find problems in the code you've written. A code cleanup tool that will actually do all the nice and pretty formatting so that you don't have to do it yourself. An indexed help file that actually contains a complete language reference, and a full-blown editor that comprises its integrated development environment so that you can do all of your syntax checking, code tidy work, and debugging all from the same program. How much does it cost? AutoIt is 100% free of charge. The website itself has even more tools that are not available in the default package. The forums are an excellent resource, and I can highly recommend them. An example. The default example program given in most classes is something as simple as Hello World. In our case, we have MessageBox, which is a function that is called with parameters. Now, I've used the default color coding that you would see in the SciT integrated development environment. 0, the first parameter, just tells AutoIt what type of message box you want. In this case, 0 means a simple message box with no colored icon and a single OK button. Tutorial, the second parameter, will be the title of the message box itself, while Hello World will be the text of the message itself. When running this script, you'll see something similar to this. It may vary based on the version of Windows you're running. Learning more about AutoIt. The website, AutoItScript.com, is basically a one-stop shop for anything you might need to learn about AutoIt. There you'll find additional tools and utilities, example code, comprehensive user forums, as well as a lot of user-defined functions. These are chunks of code written by the various users of AutoIt to expand its capabilities. Personal thoughts. I personally have been working with AutoIt for about a year, and I've simply found it to be feature-rich and simple to grasp. I have had no formal modern programming training, but the included help files and the forums as a guide, I was able to write a full-fledged Windows application to back up some legacy software and hardware. I'm currently using it to write a tool to migrate data from one software system to another. This tool has already, and probably will continue to save me hundreds if not thousands of working hours. If you want to be a Windows system administrator, look at this program, learn it, make it a tool.